Hi everybody, welcome to Cooking with Mr. and Mrs. E. Today we're going to make super ooey gooey, chocolatey, nutty brownies inspired by my cooking hero, James Beard. First we'll take a couple of 8x8 baking pans and we'll oil and flour them. Then we'll take a double boiler and we're going to melt 4 ounces of unsweetened chocolate plus 4 ounces of bittersweet chocolate. Then we're going to add a pound of butter cut up in chunks so it melts easier. And to that we're also going to add a quarter of a cup of Kahlua coffee liqueur for a little extra kick. Once it's all melted, I'm going to pour it into my KitchenAid mixer and I'm going to add 6 slightly beaten eggs, 2 cups of sugar, a tablespoon of vanilla extract, a cup of walnuts or pecans, whichever you prefer, and a cup of seedless raisins. That's optional. Then I'm slowly going to add 2 cups of white flour. And when it's all mixed up nicely, we're going to pour it into our previously prepared pans and put them into a preheated 350-degree oven for 45 minutes. Now that they're done, I'm going to cut them into squares and I'll share them with you. I hope you like it, everybody. So, thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to give us a like, share us with your friends, and subscribe. 谢谢，再见。